Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, I tell you what, guys, today we are going to talk about a very good knife, and that's pretty cool because it's actually in their name, the Very Good Knife Company. This one is the Lone Star. As you can see, it is a Kydex sheath fixed blade, and I am enjoying this one very, very much. Like I said, got the Kydex sheath going on there. That's what we're going to talk about first because that's what we see first. There you go. VGKC. Very Good Knife Company. As you can see, it's got a soft loop on it, which I really like because you can scout carry it that way. It will accept other forms of mounting, ulti-clip, that type. But I'm down with the soft loop for sure. It's got more of the taco style sheath, and I tell you what, I was supposed to catch that, but I didn't. It's got really good retention. Nice. It's just a very comforting, that snap is just very, very comforting. There we go. Got it that time, but yeah. I think that's the soft loop. It's not the knife in the sheath. That's the soft loop, I'm pretty sure, that's shaking. It's very, very well fitted into that sheath, but there is the Lone Star itself. Now, gotta get this out there. As of right now, exactly this point in time that I am recording this, it's not currently listed on the site. They are available to order. He's kind of redoing a little bit of stuff on the website. They are available to order. And, he does plan on making a batch to get on the site, so they're readily available. But it's worth maybe doing that special order because the one thing right there, this knife is an ergonomic dream for me. Okay, I gotta say for me, obviously it's in my hand, but it feels so good in hand. So what does this version? Because there's a few versions of. He's got ADCRV. He's got this one, which is Nitro-V, which I'm a fan of, and a couple of different handle materials. On this one, we've got the Grip Tec, which is sort of that, that rubberized style handle, which we definitely don't see on many folders. And now I haven't seen every knife out there. I haven't seen it on a lot. I think Cold Steel uses Grip Tec a little bit. But I think that's about all I've seen it on. Like I said, haven't seen every knife out there, so I'm sure it's on some others. But, like I said, Nitro-V steel, hollow ground. You've got a really nice sharpening choil done there. Now, he's calling this kind of a reverse Tanto Nesmuk combo. That's kind of what he was going for with this blade shape. You've got a nice swedge here. Decent amount of belly going on there. There you go. No? Maybe not? Yeah, there you go. Very Good Knife Co. And on this side, of course, you got Lone Star. And right there, Nitro-V. Very nice. This knife is so comfortable. I am definitely digging on the Lone Star. So, what does it give us? Well, we're about 8 1/4 inches long. Pushing 4 1/4 on the handle. Our blade is going to come in right about 4 inches, and then your cutting edge is going to come in roughly right about 3 1/2, maybe just a hair more. And then, of course, your full grip length, point to point, you're talking 3 3/4. So I do have, and when I say point to point, I'm obviously going from point to point. I'm not using any overlap there. So I do have a little bit left over, but now you've got a nice squared off spine. I did not do anything. Now this is not my knife, okay? And it comes to us from a great friend of the channel, Steven. You guys, a lot of you regulars know him as Anaso in the chats and in the comments and stuff like that. So Steven, I have to say thank you so very much for letting me get my hands on this knife because it is well worth it. Now you see, you've got kind of that swale in that spine. My thumb just naturally slides down and finds the spot it wants to be. And like I said, that spine is squared off. I haven't scraped any ferro rods with it, but man, it sure feels like it could. Absolutely. Absolutely. So let's get a weight on it real quick. Let's do the whole ball of wax. So we're looking at about 6.9 ounces or 197 grams. If we just go with the knife alone, 158 grams or 5.6, I guess. I thought I was going to say 5.5. Now, the Lone Star is actually a design collaboration with a big fan and collector of Very Good Knife Co. Knives, Zachary Schmidt. He was the one that kind of helped design. It didn't go into if it is his design, but it's a design. We'll just call it a design collaboration with Very Good Knife Co. for right now. And I tell you what, it's nice. It's a match made for me perfectly. Feels, oh my goodness. Absolutely, absolutely love the way this feels in hand. Now, I didn't do an initial cut test with it because I didn't know what had been done with it or anything like that. I did a very little bit of cutting. It's not my knife. And it's Steven's knife, and he needs to put the work into it himself. But I did just a very little bit of cutting. Dude, the hollow ground Nitro-V slides, baby. It did a number. It did a number on rope for sure. Absolutely. Yes, it did very, very well. Now, depending on, like I said, it's not on the website right now. But depending on what you would like, you could go, I do believe the website showed it just out of stock and it gives some variations. But it's in between $200 to $300. And that's not bad for just a very well-made, for handmade knife. It's $200 to $300. Very, very good price for something like this, especially size and materials. I mean, obviously it's full tang. It's a very, very nice knife. Got some weight to it, so it's going to be able to do some work. I mean, you can definitely chop down with it if you need to. It, like I said, it slid through the rope very nicely. I should say cut, because we've seen in those cut tests, we've seen some edges actually slide and then bite. It's not what I mean. It cut through. It did well. So, Steven, I think you've got yourself one heck of a fixed blade here. Very Good Knife Co. Jacob over there did a magnificent job on this. So, guys, they've got lots and lots of models available. Holy cow. This is my first experience with Very Good Knife Co. And I'm hoping it won't be my last. We'll just put it that way. Because it is, if this is any indication of what they can do, we're doing all right. So, again, Steven, thank you so much for letting me take a look at the Very Good Knife Co. Lone Star. Greatly, greatly appreciate it. And I gotta say, too, when I got the knife, I didn't have a whole lot of information. I actually reached out to Jacob over there at Very Good Knife Company. Dude, super. He was awesome, man. He replied so quick. Anything I asked him, he was just on point with it. So shout out to them over there, too. It's seems like, I can only say seems like, not only a very good knife company, but a very good knife company to work with. So, thank you so much, guys. Greatly appreciate you stopping by today. As always, have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. Until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.